Hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night to all the viewers. Here you are seeing L298 in DC controller board. This board can drive DC motor. The DC motor can vary from 40 volt to 6 volt. In this demonstration, I have connected 5 volt DC motor and controlling them through the Arduino. The two 5 volt DC motor are connected to the L298 module, and the 5 volt power supply is given, and the motor operates on the 5 volt DC power supply. One can construct this is a submersible motor. One can construct water fountain using this method. The speed and the timing of the motor and direction of the motor can be controlled using the Arduino board. The Arduino Uno is connected to the L298 module. The 4 wires, that is coming from pin 1, 2, 3, 4 of the Arduino and going to the IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4 of the DC controller board. The two pin 9 and 8 is connected to the PW enable A, enable B pin of the 293 DC controller module. This controls the speed. The input pins controls the direction of the motor. In this, water fountain is going to work in only one direction, hence the direction is not changed and it is used to deliver the output. One can construct a beautiful water fountain with a suitable LED light color using this module. The Uno can be used used as a audio input to control the motor also. So one can construct a musical fountain using this circuit. The link to the main the description of the assembly of the circuit is given in the given. Please use the link and see the step-by-step construction process. Thank you. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel.